What day is it?
Day 2, perfect day at
Day
Cococay.
2. Rise and shine. What day is it?
Day 2, perfect day at
Day 2.
Cococay.
Perfect day at Coco K. Okay, it's K. We are here. Where are we?
Here it's about 8:20. We're trying to get our younger son out of his room so we can go eat.
We have a boardwalk balcony, and we got our boys next door, so we had the partition opened up. So I can just come in here. We can come in here and spy on them. See? Mhm. So anyways, we're gonna head down to the solarium, go eat breakfast, and then get down. Okay, we have a day bed rented today at Breezy Bay, and I was able to get some jet skis reserved finally. I had been trying for like weeks and weeks. It kept telling me it was sold out. But once we got here, we got on the app. It said it was available. I booked it. So I'm excited. So we'll see you downstairs. First things first, gotta have breakfast. Breakfast in the solarium. It's so quiet in here. I love it. Look at this. Eating breakfast in this is the solarium bistro, the solarium buffet. Rise and shine.
Morning. Super calm in here.
Yeah, nice and quiet.
Not all hustle bustle like the Windjammer, but
I got me an omelet, hash browns, some papas, bacon, sausage. John Anthony's gonna get, looks like he got French toast, pancakes, and bacon. I think he got about the same. Richard and Pat already ate. We're here. Here we are. Where are we?
Perfect day at Coco.
Perfect day at Coco what?
K.
K. Okay? We're in the K. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
You ready? Ready for what?
Perfect day.
You ready, man? You ready to go see some sharks? Stingrays? Oh no. We headed out over there. Gonna have us a good time today. Where are we? Oh, welcome, Isaac. And what do we have behind this curtain here? Got a nice little day bed. Chill. We're gonna chill at Chill Island. Look at that water. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Is this everything you hoped and thought it would be?
Nice.
Very nice.
All right, so it is about 11:30. Isaac and Isaac went to do jet skis around 10:30. They should be back. John Anthony and I are here at our day bed on Chill Island. Talk about chill. I think I slept for about an hour maybe. And John Anthony is still back there sleeping. So one thing that we've noticed with the excursions, as soon as we paid for our cruise in full, you have to do that 45 days in advance, we went in and we started booking excursions. Well, right away we found that a lot of them were sold out. So of course we checked every day. We have an excursion for St. Thomas, and then even these day beds, they were sold out for a while. And then I check the planner like every day, seeing what is available. And so then these came available, and right away we booked one because we were scared that there wasn't going to be any seating available. So we wanted to make sure we had a place to put all our things. So I went ahead and I got the day bed. But there's lots of seating, so you don't have to worry about that. So gonna chill here for I don't know how much longer. Hopefully Isaac and Isaac will be back. John Anthony there sleeping. I'm here just chilling out. All right, we'll see you in a bit.
That's pretty crazy, ain't it? You can't hear it.
over an hour. They left from here. They took off to the left. See some there's going that way, and then I have no idea where they went from there. And it was over an hour. It's a little over an hour. So they come back. How was it?
It was so fun.
It was over an hour. I kept looking and looking for y'all.
Well, we had to do a 15-minute video first.
What do you mean?
Like
Big,
inside
we're
of there.
big, we were jumping, almost flew off the
I was like, they probably fell off. It's like Isaac probably fell off.
I did
and
not fall off.
Taking him to an emergency room
We went
or
all the
something.
way around.
We ran down the whole
bend,
island.
and then
Y'all
we went
did?
all the way around.
Well, I kept
back.
looking everywhere. I mean, I kept looking that way and then kept looking back
You
that
only would have
way.
seen us when we took off.
Yeah.
Yeah, we went
Right.
That was cool. Very bumpy.
Yeah. No
You wouldn't have liked
seasickness. Yeah, I know.
No, it was very like
Yeah, I know. I didn't
going
want to.
fast.
I'd be so scared.
We saw a huge. There's a huge stingray right over there on the other side of that jet ski. I mean,
Like right now.
yes, it's right now.
It was out there, but then we
About to try Snack Shack. What are you gonna get, Mom? Crispy chicken sandwich, but I know there's something else you want.
Funnel cake.
No, me. Funnel cake. Funnel cake, the secret sandwich.
I'm not getting this.
You're not gonna. It's not a secret no more. All right, she's not gonna get a secret. I might not. I don't like mayonnaise, so they gotta. I think I'm gonna get a burger. I'm gonna get it all. It's free. All right.
Awesome. Thank you.
Can I get the shack chicken with no mayonnaise?
one second chicken over there, sir, please.
We don't like mayonnaise.
Thank you. How are you? Good. Start there.
So most of the stuff here is already ready. They just pretty much grab it. It's already ready to serve, so you don't really have to wait. But I requested one of them. Can I get a cheese sticks also? And fries. There we go. No mayo. So what's cool about it is when you ask for something special, they gotta make it fresh. So this is fresh. This has not been sitting up there. I like it. I love it. There comes fries. All right. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you. All right. So after you get your chicken sandwich, burger, whatever, they got all the condiments right here, and then they got the juices. And oh my goodness, let me tell you something. I tried this lemon lime. It is so good. I already had like 3 of these. And then I tried a little bit of the strawberry kiwi. Delicious also, but this is my go-to. All right, after months and months, vlog after vlog, YouTube video after YouTube video, we finally are gonna try this chicken sandwich that everyone raves about. You already bit into yours, right?
My burger.
You had a burger? You didn't have the secret sandwich?
It's right there.
Well, how is it? All right, look at that. That looks delicious.
Hot.
Let's try the mozzarella sticks first. I didn't get the secret. I want to make my own. I mean, it can't get any better than this. Yeah. Awesome chicken sandwich. The beach right here. What more do you want? really good.
It's real chicken.
It's real chicken. I wonder if it's those chickens that we see running around here. They're probably raising them just for. Maybe that's the secret. Oh, that's the real secret. Is that they're using the chickens to run around.
They're island chickens.
The island chickens. They're native. Oh man. Looks like we're about to get a little cloud coverage. It's really good. Mozzarella cheese stick. Really good as well. So now I'm gonna make my own. Uh-oh, it's raining. It's raining.
A few moments later.
Tough out here. Right, Pat? Yep. Tough. Not anybody can just lay here. Not anybody can just do this. It's tough. But I'm glad to be the one to do it.
It's a hard life.
It's a hard life. I don't wish this on anybody.
She wears stuff. She don't want to get it. I mean, like, we live in don't mind us complaining.
Like, we get humidity back in Texas, and I'm like, just dread.
This was our day bed. We got the Breezy Bay day bed. Comes with the day bed, pillows, 2 lounge chairs, umbrella, and then there's even 2 floating mats. Well, we came, we conquered. We can now add Cococay to our bucket list of.
Are those John Anthony's water shoes?
Where?
Right there?
You know, he's wearing his.
He is?
Yeah, he's wearing his water shoes. Those are his Crocs over there.
Oh. Let me make sure.
All right. Go back, Pat? Huh? Back on the ship, I mean. Are you ready to go back? No? Okay, good. See, it looks more blue over here. Look at the long line to get it back on. But the good thing is that we have shade and a breeze. That's always a good thing. The colors are just beautiful here. So I guess pretty much everybody waits till the very last minute to get on the ship. It's about a little after 3 o'clock. On board was 3:30. We still got a lot of people online, but I mean, when you come here, it's so nice. You want to enjoy as much as you can. You get up early and get here early, and then you want to be one of the first ones off and one of the last ones to get on, so you can really enjoy the island to its fullest. Did you enjoy the jet skis, son?
Yes.
Would you recommend it to anybody else?
I want to drive it next time.
You want to drive next time?
Yes.
We have to pay the full fare next time.
Yeah.
But it was still fun, right?
It was so much fun.
So fun. How about you? Did you have fun? Did you want to come back here?
A lot of swimming.
You swim a lot? That's good.
A lot of laps.
A lot of laps. And how about this young lady right here? Did you have fun, young lady?
I did nothing.
You did nothing. First things first, you took a nap.
I took a nap.
That's why you rented a bed. You can't rent a bed and not sleep, right?
It was like hard, but it was super comfortable.
And you fell asleep too.
You fell asleep too, son?
Right before you came back.
Say what?
Right before you came back, I woke up.
Guess what made your favorite? You have to take a shower.
Ooh.
I did first.
What?
I wanted to go first. I have a ping pong competition later. I am going to destroy those 12 and 17-year-olds.
And we got Norwegian back over there. But their island doesn't look as fun, right? Well, I had fun. I had a good time. That chicken sandwich was really good,
The
right?
water wasn't super clear for
Did you even try the chicken sandwich?
The what?
The chicken sandwich. What?
I got the hot dog.
Hot dog. You don't come all the way to Cococay for a hot dog. Come on,
I had the mozzarella. I had the mozzarella cheese.
Well, at least you got the mozzarella cheese sticks. Those are pretty good, right? How about the funnel cake?
I didn't try them. Mom hogged it all, and then those birds got to ours.
Go try to get my funnel cake.
Oh man. Yeah, you gotta watch. There are a lot of birds. As soon as you sit down to eat, you got a lot of birds come to the area.
And chickens.
And chickens. Oh yeah, they have live chickens going around. The secret chickens. Those are the secret chickens they don't tell you about. Well, it's almost time to board. We're gonna go in. You're gonna shower, right? And then what? What are we gonna do?
And then I'm gonna have my ping pong competition.
You have a ping pong? What time is that at?
5.
At 5.
About an hour and a half.
Okay.
Richard said he was gonna take me to the one in the gym to practice for a little bit.
Well, you're gonna practice
Gotta warm up.
All right. Going to the solarium. here, close to the window. By the window or by the wall. Either way, I'm gonna sweat in my. We'll go left side. Those are the only hurricanes that are acceptable on a cruise. The drinks. We are roughing it out. We had a very tough day at Cococay. Cococay. Okay. Okay. It's rough being out here. It's hard work. Should just stay at work. Somebody's got to do it. What's going on now?
Day 2 dinner?
Day 2 dinner.
Yes.
And here's the Royal Promenade. Pretty. The pretty nod. And we're on deck 5, main dining room. Ready. Oh, there's more people today.
Same view.
Well, well, well. Is it sour?
Isaac thought that the theater was the dining room.
The what was the dining room?
The theater?
Oh, the Royal Theater?
He thought that was it, so we walked all the way over there.
Smart.
And then he looked at the sign and was like, oh, the dining room is on the other side of the ship, right below us.
All you had to do was go down and Alright. Day 2, night 2, dinner 2, right, Pat? Am I wrong? So I'm not wrong? Dinner 2. Here we go. The first bite, he goes in. He's thinking about it. He's blowing, it's kind of hot. And
What?
I don't know. You tell me. Is it good or not?
Oh, yes. When isn't anything on a cruise good?
Oh, really? When it's stuck. When it's stuck? Alright. I'll let you do it. And I got baked potato soup.
That really scarred you, Richard.
It did.
Wait, what?
What did you have?
Today I got baked potato soup instead of French
Baked potato.
onion. Yeah.
Isaac?
I got French onion soup again, but I also have a baked potato soup coming in a little bit.
El Niño?
Thank you.
El Niño. Got the French onion soup again. It's really good. Really hot too. You didn't get no soup, Pat?
I got a garden salad.
Garden salad. What's good for dessert today?
Kind of boring. I got vanilla ice cream.
Just vanilla ice cream. I got royal chocolate cake.
Ice cream for you.
Thank you.
I'm bad with
Royal chocolate. She got the royal treatment. What do you have there, Richard?
Got the royal cheesecake. Can you zoom in? You can zoom in?
Yeah, I got it. Royal cheesecake.
Yeah.
I got a creme brulee.
Really?
And then I got a apple blossom mode and a royal chocolate cake.
You got 3 desserts?
Yes.
What do you think you are, me?
I think I'm on a
3 of everything.
3 of everything. And then
And I got the apple blossom. I haven't had it before.
the apple blossom.
It's cold.
I don't think I've ever had that. No, I had it the last
You've had it before.
3 years ago. That's how you do it. 3 desserts. There you go, son.
Thank you.
Enjoy your dessert, everyone.
All right.
Thank you for eating. Thank you so much.
All right.
Oh, we have no choice but to wait.